How to add account on X. Want to manage multiple accounts on X? Follow this tutorial to add a new account. Open the X app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. In the window, select the Add an Existing Account button. Enter your phone number, email address, or username. I will enter my email address. Then click the Next button. Next, enter your phone number or username. I will enter my username and click Next. Now, in the next field, enter your password. Then click the Login button. If you want to save the password so you don't have to enter it every time you log in, click Save. Your new account is now added, and you can switch between accounts by tapping on the profile icon on the right side. That would be all for this video. Thank you for following us. For more helpful tutorials and digital news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.